Restoration for All, Inc. is a community-based organization that partners with individuals, communities to restore their social and cultural connections by addressing trauma, promoting socio-cultural well-being, and resilient connections.
When we gather in community, that we're all there to support each other, and not in spite of your culture, but because of your culture. This is how we heal together, gather together, and honor every culture, every race, every religion, every sexual orientation. We know that we're in a safe space when we gather in community.
Restoration for All, Inc. began this healing work about 5 years ago because of the physical and emotional symptoms of BIPOC populations and their experiences after exposure to individual, institutional, or historical trauma. Our cultural healing practices draw on insights from cultures to inform our community-defined practices that promote individual and collective cultural healing. The next thing that we hope to do going forward is to decolonize from individualism and reconnect with ways of cultural community care. Culture is the cure. Thank you.